You want another apple puff? Okay. See it? Take it from Mama's hand. There. Oh, not as good as the last one. Perfect motor skills. Oh, we still have one over there that we're working on. They're just so delicious. Can I help you? Let me just, there we go. Okay. Take it. Take it. And okay, that's pretty good. Good girl. Did it get in your mouth? You did it. Oh. Okay. Ready? That's it. Oh. Can we try that one? Okay. Let's see if we're a lefty. I like how they stick to your hands. So close. Oh, Valentina. Did you eat that one? You did. Well, you're quite resourceful. I guess you were really, truly saving a snack for later. Good girl. You get it. Here, put it in your fingers. And there we go. Good, that's it. And in the mouth. Is it in? Yeah. Oh, so close. Oh, let's go back to that one. So many choices in life. Where'd it go? Oh. Hi, baby. You need some help? Okay, okay. Mama give you one. You get E for effort. Hi, baby. Say hi. Say cheese. Mwah. Mwah. Hi. Okay, last one. Then we're gonna have some spinach. Here, put it in your hand. Oh, how many do you have? Okay, you can have that one. Let's clean out our hands. We got one in there and one over there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. You finished? Okay. Take it. Take in your hand. Oh, okay. Take it in that hand. Oh, in the fist. Still working on it? Did you get it? Yay! Okay, last one. Last chance. Oh, that's Mama's finger. Okay. I have 2 teeth now. I can bite your finger. Yay! 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 How many you got in there? Uh-oh. Achoo! Bless you! Didn't anybody tell you to cover your mouth? Bless you. Oh, that's so gross. Okay, say goodbye. Ciao, ciao.